Hi everyone. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a couple of problems solving the rules that we learned in the last video. So let's get started. So let's just look at the problem. I clearly see modus ponens, right? Q or not P if Q or not P then P. So I want to start by doing that. So our line 3 will be P through 1, 2 modus ponens. Now that we have P, what else can we do? Well, I see Q or P. So using Q or P, I can get Q, which is the conclusion, by doing not P. So I'm gonna use P to get not P, right? And I'm gonna get that through 3 double negation. And now all I need to do is put all I need to do is commute Q or not P to get not P or Q. And I'm going to get this through 1 commutative. Now I can get Q through 4, 5 disjunctive syllogism. So one thing about disjunctive syllogism, I'm pretty sure you can only I don't know if this is a formal rule, but I think at least the way I'm going to be using it, I'm only going to be using it to use disjunctive syllogism when the disjunct that I'm trying to get rid of is on the left side. But I'm not sure if there's a hard and fast rule about it. So don't worry about it. But typically when I use disjunctive syllogism or something like that, it's always going to be on the left side. Alright, so that was a quick problem. So again, I got P through modus ponens, then I changed it to not P, then I moved not P or Q, and then I got Q. Alright, so let's move on to the next problem. The next problem is, it's a bit harder. Like I try to say with all the problems I do, I try to make one easy one and one hard one, just so you have the experience of doing one easy one and one hard one. So this one's hard, and it has a lot of premises. So let's see, what do we get started with first? Well, looking at premise 1 and 2, I can I can clearly see a disjunctive syllogism. So let's start by doing that. So I'm going to get Q and R, and I'm going to get this through 1, 2 disjunctive syllogism. Now that I have Q and R, I can get Q through 7 simplification. But I can also get R through 7 simplification. I'm going to commute it to R and Q, and I'm going to get it through 7. I'm going to get through 7 commutative. Then I'm going to be able to get R through 9 simplification. Alright. So now that I have Q, now that I have R, I can do a couple of modus ponens. So I'm going to start from Q because it's higher. So I'm going to get L or not R. I'm going to get L or not R. I'm going to get that through 3, 8 modus ponens. Just taking a quick step, just taking a quick slowdown to kind of recap on what I did. So I simplified this Q right here, right? And then I did Q or not L or R, and then I got L or R, right? And then I also commuted this Q and R to get R and Q, and I simplified R. Now that I simplified this R, I'm also going to use this R to do modus ponens, and I'm going to get not Q or K. I'm going to get that through 4, 10 modus ponens. So now I have this L or not R and this Q or not K. Let me see what I can use it for exactly. Let's see. Well, in kind of a similar structure of the way I did my last problem, I see that I can kind of set up a few more disjunctive syllogisms. So I'm going to get not Q. I'm going to get this through 8 double negation. Then I'm going to get K. I'm going to get K through 12, 13 disjunctive syllogism. So I got not Q or K through 4, 10 oops, through 4, 10 modus ponens, and then with my not q here, I'm going to disjunctive syllogism this, and I'm going to get k. So now I have k. Just a quick notice, I actually need to move the camera down a bit because I'm going to run the space very soon. So I'm going to move the camera down so you might not be able to see some of the top premises, but I'll try to slide it back up when I can. So now I have k. Let's see. I should also be able to do the same thing with r. So not r or l through 11 commutative, and then I'm going to get not r through 10 double negation, and I'm going to get l through 15, 16 disjunctive syllogism. So I'm going to get these two. So now I have L, K, R, and Q all by themselves. So let's see what I can do. I see that I have Q and K right here. So I need to I need to add those together. A quick rule about conjunction is as of the way I do it, I usually start with the top and then move to the bottom. But you can do it either way. So I can do Q and K or K and Q. It doesn't matter which one's higher. Which is really confusing because usually, well, for this it isn't, because you're adding two. But I usually just start with the higher one on the left and the lower one on the right. So it's a convention I'm going to be using. So Q and K through 10, 14 conjunction. Now that I have Q and K, I'm going to get not J. I'm going to get not J through, where's not J? Through 6, 18, 18 modus ponens. So just a quick recap. I got not J right here through Q and K, then not J. I have Q and K right here, which I got by getting Q way up here in premise 8, and by getting K way down here through 12, 13 disjunctive syllogism. Alright, so now I have not J. Let's see, what else can I do? Did I get everything from all of the premises? I think I did. Okay, so what else is there to do? Well, let me look at my conclusion. I have not G and Q and R and not J or P. So let's start adding a few things. Oh yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I was like, where's G? Wait, okay, so I skipped premise 5. So I'm going to let's get premise 5. So uh, I have not L or R. So let's see. I can get not G, but I know if I get not R, then I can get dang. I mean, I can do this. The problem is I think it rests on a rule that I haven't taught you guys yet, which is called disjunctive. It's called De Morgan's rule. But normally I think I remember how I did it. Okay, so this is kind of weird. This is my weird, one of my weird rules. So I'm gonna get L. I'm gonna get R and L, and I'm gonna get R and L through 10, 17 conjunction. And let me just scroll down again. And now that I have R and L, I'm going to get L and R through 21 commutative. And now that I have L and R, I'm going to get not L and R through 21 21 double negation. This is supposed to be 20. Through 21 double negation. Hold on. Hit cap locks. 21 double negation. Now that I have this not L or R, I can use this not L and R, and I can use double negation, so that I can get not G through through 522 modus tollens. Let me just scroll down a little bit. Now that I have not G, I can go toward getting my conclusion, which is not G and Q through 8 through 8 um, 23 conjunction. And again, like I said, you can get Q and not G, or not G and Q, it doesn't matter. So I'm just being lazy here, but if you want to get not Q and G, you can just commute it afterwards. So I have not G and Q, and now I need to get R and not J. So that is premise 10 and premise 19. So R and not J through 10, 19 conjunction. Then I can get not G and Q and R and not J through 24, 25 conjunction. And now that I have these statements, I can just get, I'm just going to copy this over again. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to make 2 brackets right here. And I'm going to do OR P. And I'm going to get this through 26 addition. And this is the conclusion we wanted. So, yeah, that's it. Again, this is a lot of premises. This is 27 premises. Let me slide up and down a bit. So yeah, that was the logic. It's pretty straightforward. I got a bit confused at step 5 again, just because this is really weird. But they should be equivalent. I don't know if there's some formal rule against you being able to double negate things in parentheses, but I don't think there should be. So I'm not 100% sure on that. But I knew that if I could still prove it even if I couldn't do that in a few other ways, so it would still be fine. But yeah, this is the proof, and sorry it was so long. It's for your own good, but I'll see you guys in the next video.